Hey guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my grandmother's recipe, and it is cranberry pot roast. It is so good. She always made this for Christmas. It was always on the dinner table at Christmas time for family gatherings at Christmas. Just have a great time. So I'm going to share that with you today. I'm going to go over the ingredients. It's very simple ingredients. You can just use whatever you have on hand. So let's go over that real quick and let's just jump right on into it, guys. Okay, you guys, for this recipe you're going to need oil. Now I'm going to be using avocado oil. You're going to need potatoes. I just have these soaking in a little bit of water just to get out the extra starch. Onions, carrots. You're going to need cranberries. Now you can use the jelly or the jellied whole cranberries. That is what I'm using today, which is the whole cranberries. Now you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of water, which I've already put half of a cup of water in here, which leaves me with 1/4 cup of water left. That is for later. You're going to need flour, salt, and pepper. You're going to need 12 whole cloves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and of course your beef roast. Okay, for starting out, you're going to take your flour. This is about 1/2 cup of flour. You're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. And you're just going to give this a mix. And now you're just going to dredge this all over your, or you can put it in a bowl and dredge it if you want to. I'm just going to take the easy route today and just put it on by hand. Less dishes to wash. You really don't need that much anyway. Just flip that over and do the other side. Alright, that's ready. Now for your sauce. Like I said earlier, this is just a can of whole cranberries that I just added 1/2 cup of water to and just mix that around. Now you're going to take your sugar and your cloves, add that right in, and then just give this a mix. And we will set that aside. Okay guys, I've got my Dutch oven preheating, and I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of oil to the pan. I've got my heat over medium-low, and I'm just going to add in my meat, and I'm going to sear this on both sides. Now while this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 325 degrees. Lift this over and let that cook another 1 to 2 minutes on that side. Okay, now that this is seared on both sides, I just cut my heat off. I'm going to remove this, put this on a plate, set this aside. I'm going to add in my drained potatoes. My carrots and onions. little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And I'm just going to give this a mix. Just to distribute those vegetables out evenly. Now I'm going to come back with my meat. I'm going to place that right on top. Add my cranberry mixture right on top. Add the 1/4 cup of water, just right around the edges. Now remember, this is going to give off a lot of liquid as it cooks. You can add a little bit more water if you need to, but I'm just going to cover this up. Pop this in the oven for 3 hours. Okay guys, now I've just taken this out of the oven. It's been 3 hours. So what I'm going to do now is the tedious part, because you've got to remember there's whole cloves in here. So we're going to take the roast out and pick out all of the cloves. Okay guys, I'm in my office, so I'm going to give this a try in here because my daughter's doing schoolwork and I don't want to disturb her. So let's just give this a try. This meat is super tender. This brings back so many memories. I absolutely love this, and if you love cranberries, you're gonna love this. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. And give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below. And join us here at the Southern Rustic. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.